Hi class, in this video I'm going to introduce to you how to use the Pythagorean theorem to solve a math problem. The Pythagorean theorem is useful in both geometry and mostly trigonometry. So if we have a triangle, it has to be a right triangle in order to use the Pythagorean theorem, which means one of the three angles has to equal 90 degrees. Usually the 90 degrees is specified by a box located in one of the three corners. In this example, it's located in the bottom left corner. With the Pythagorean theorem, if we know the measure of two of the sides, we can always figure out the length of the third side using this theorem. In this example, we have two sides which are located on the left and on the bottom, which are 7 and 5. We are looking for the measure of the third. The longest side of the triangle is called the hypotenuse, and it is opposite of the right angle. That is the side we are missing. So the formula, which is located up top, is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. The hypotenuse is usually always c. It does not matter usually which side you choose to put for a or b. So we are going to plug in the values for a and b, which are 7 and 5. 7 squared is 49 and 5 squared is 25. So we are going to add those two together to find c squared. 49 plus 25 is 74. To find the measure of BC, we must take the positive square root of both sides. The square root of c squared is c, and the square root of 74 is 8.60232526, which is rounded to 8.6. We have a second example which the answer will come out to an even number. Here we have two sides, 8 and 6, which we plug in for a and b. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Then we have 64 plus 36 equals c squared, which then becomes 100 equals c squared. We then have to take the square root of both sides, which then becomes 10 equals c. So the measure of side x is 10. In conclusion, the Pythagorean theorem is useful for finding out the length of a side in a right triangle. It is useful when you have measures of two sides and you are looking for the hypotenuse